custy. That's custy. That probably has a disease. That's butt sweat. That's more butt sweat. Here, man. This is your new chair. Why?
Ew! Look at the dandruff.
Dude, it's not dandruff. It's butt scratch. That's butt scratch.
This is our new racing seat for the Civic.
Yeah, new racing seat with armrests and everything. So you can't shift gears. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna be doing something kind of different, kind of cool. You guys know that when Emerson bought his 240, it came with the Corbeau bucket seat that's just been chilling in the garage and the shop and whatever. He's had that since he bought his car. You wanna just tell him why you don't use it?
I don't really like dealing in bucket seat. There's no adjustments.
Worst answer ever.
Okay, the springs right here. The spring cut through the foam, and now all you feel is these train tracks on my back. But then Corbeau was like, "Don't worry, guy. We hook you up," and we got the new seats.
That's true, and the new ones are adjustable, so they're not as, you know. And then ever since we put the new Corbeau seats in the car, he likes them way better for dailying purposes because they still incline into like a fixed bucket, but when he wants to, he can recline them for a cruise. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it. You guys can go check out the actual Corbeau install. But this is the one that came with this car, and it's just been sitting because he wanted to do something cool with it. So didn't look into this at all. There may be a better way to do this, but we don't really know it. We just thought of what would make sense for us, like what we thought would work. And that's what we're gonna do. So I found this computer chair on Craigslist for free, and they're giving it away because it's a custy pile of crap, but the wheels and everything is good. So what our plan is to take the wheels off that, screw them onto a piece of wood, and then screw the piece of wood onto the bottom of the Corbeau seat, and then we're gonna have like a racing seat gaming chair or computer chair or whatever you want to do with it. You'll probably play Xbox in it more than anything. It's like a real racing seat. It's not like when you buy the ones on Amazon, they're like racing seat computer chairs. This is like an actual, probably expensive Corbeau racing seat that we're gonna turn into a chair. So I just knew that it needed wheels, so I found a free chair because why would we buy a chair just for the wheels when you could get free chairs that are garbage, but you can take the wheels off of them. And then basically these are the only ways to mount to this seat. So our plan is just to put the piece of wood across here, right? And then drill the wheels, which just have like a narrower base, into the wood, and then it should be good. Like the height adjustment and everything works on that chair still. So I actually, well, it says it works. We haven't tested it because the chair is kind of custy, so we don't know for sure, but that's what we're doing today. It's a little different. It's not an install. It's kind of fun, so let's do it, mate. Oh yeah, it's actually too wide. We should probably cut it down a bit. As long as this piece of wood supports our fat ass. So pass me a marker. So I'm literally just gonna make it like not even an inch wider on both sides. So look right here to there. This might even be just a little bit too big, but we'll start here and see how that works.
Oh, to the impression, I like the video. Shut the mouth off of it, doctor.
Hey, do you want one of these Burke stickers?
Burke sticker.
I got like a bunch with exhaust.
Yeah, you do.
Get lost. Okay, what do we do for a thumbnail?
Huh?
I hate making. Should we take a thumbnail like before we do it? Dude, I'm camera guy.
How much do you charge?
Actually, can I use the camera? This is not getting me a wide enough angle. Oh wow, this is way better. So we're gonna do another sketchy, not straight, jigsaw cut today. Brought to you by yours truly, Robbie Repairs.
And he's gonna do it.
And recently taken over title, Sometimes Does It.
Why is one sock longer than the other?
What do you mean? Oh, they're the same. They're just one's pulled up higher, dude. Why are you judging my socks? Get out of here.
Are you Canadian? You got a Roots just sweater on, dude.
Yeah, I bought this. What kind of accent was that? I went instant Scottish. This thing's crazy. This thing's crazy. You know what? This is a beauty contest, okay? It's gonna work. You could take a paint pen, such as this white Mazda touch-up paint pen, and you go like this. You just put some paint around there. Put some paint around there. Do I have to say it again? Do you guys understand yet? Ready? And now, you cut the 4 holes. Okay, so we need a drill to about this size.
Yeah, we broke about every single drill bit here.
I know. The other day, we carnaged. Oh, I don't even want to tell them why. It's disappointing, really. Yeah. Just know that we broke 2 or 3 drill bits the other day, and there's not even a good story to go with it. Speaking of carnage drill bits, there's still a piece of one in here. This one broke lethal, too. Like, it just, like, snapped right down the side and everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do... drill one right here.
Do it.
Uh-oh. Reverse. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. I hope the garbage man takes this chair, to be honest with you. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it if he doesn't.
Hey, I think you went through the chair, dude.
Really? No, it's just wood. It's all good. Aw, dude! The chair! What are we gonna do? Just kidding, I don't care. Yo, can we make that music video this week? Please. It'll be so funny.
We don't have copyright.
That's okay. I don't even care if I monetize it. It'll just be funny as hell. This song, I thought we were gonna do the other song. I don't know what it's called, to be honest with you. And when I leaned up the block, she said, I'll probably give you Rod Knock. And I'm like, hell no, I'm boosting too hard. Round it right here. Just make them all a little bit nicer. It's a little wonky, but like you're never gonna see it. It's underneath your ass, so I don't think it really matters. I think that's good. We could do the remix to a couple songs. I keep thinking of new songs. We could do it to a Migos song and just make a rap with the Civic. Just we're gonna have to put our own nuts and bolts here, because we're not gonna have nuts that these thread into. See ya. That was just a little bit more towards the back of the chair than the front. So what we want to do is the same sort of thing, right? We want it like right about here. You want to just get a marker and mark it? I have these.
Take it off. Bolt that to there, and then put this whole thing there.
So do you want to use these, or do you want to try? I don't think I have enough well, I have self tappers,
So
but they're.
let's work on these. Easy, man. You go right through that seat.
Good. For the last time, I'm gonna take all this part. You know, we probably could have thought this through and done this once. Now, what we're gonna do, and for everybody out there that's like gonna comment, tell us how we could have done this better and how we should have painted the wood and how.
We have nothing else to do.
We're just doing this for fun. Like, this isn't like a showpiece. We're not like building this.
But like, if we should wrap it or paint it.
Shut up. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like. It's just for us for fun, so we really don't care. Now, for the 50th time, we can put this thing back on. This is the first thing we've ever done on this channel that has gone as planned and taken less than half an hour. Thank you. Dude, this is comfortable. This is actually really nice. It kicks your feet kind of up off the ground like you would be in a car, you know? And when it's all the way aired up, you're just, because of the way it like projects your legs up as if you're supposed to be driving, you just like can't even touch the ground. It's kind of weird though. It's like reclined even though it's not. This would literally be perfect for just gaming. Just sitting here like playing Xbox or whatever would be like the mintest chair ever.
I was just gonna have it on the ground.
Well, that would have been fine too, but now you can do 6 stunts like, Mom, I'm thirsty! So it's not a perfect chair by any means, but if you guys have an old racing seat or even just a really nice factory bucket seat, or you even just go buy like a fake Recaro seat or whatever, this is totally something you guys can do with any of those options, and it's actually really nice, isn't it?
Something blue.
You're ready to game and just airs out.
What is this thing?
And like the fact that it's raw wood under there, you don't even notice. Like you wouldn't even notice unless you were legit under it. is this you drifting or what?
Also boost.
Now we need to get you a 5-point harness too. We could just buckle you straight in for when you're gaming. What's the matter? You got a head rush?
Oh man.
No, I'm not spinning. You want me to spin fast? How about you just spin me fast? Oh, the camera's coming loose. Oh, you're a dick. Whoa. Oh my god.
It reclines?
Did you see that? I almost died.
Okay, ready? Destruction test. Just running in my car. Hey man, what's going on? What was that?
What's your phone? Well, at least it holds up. I feel so like, I feel almost unsatisfied. Like we just did it too fast.
Okay, push me.
Alright. You ready? Oh! I'm not gonna push you off. I just need 2 hands to push you. Oh man! Wheel it into the office room for now. I'll use it to edit my videos. It'll make them way better. There we go. Why is it so dark in here? Courtney's been inside all day counting up. Like, this is the tally chart for like wrap, dip, paint, and people that had stupid answers. So that's the tally chart. Dude, that looks so good. That is such a sick computer chair to just have. Like, especially for someone like me that like does car stuff. I know, we should just buy like more knockoff seats. This would be sick. And actually, I'll make one for myself. Doesn't this thing look mint just sitting here? Dude, that's awesome. Anyways, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little build. It was a little bit different, something new. I'm actually really stoked. Like, you just sitting here right now using this, I want to go buy more bucket seats just to do this. I know you can buy like bucket seats that are, you know, computer chairs, but I think it's sick how this is a corbo. Anyways, that's gonna be it. We're just gonna go get some taco meat, make tacos, hang out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will catch you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.